Looking for beautiful campgrounds to stay like this? Would you like to know what features are available before you even arrive? Stick around. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. When selecting your campground, under the Park Details and Features tab, there are quite a few features and amenities, such as pull-through sites. Pull-through sites are incredible because it allows you to park your RV without having to back in. Knowing if a campground is pet-friendly is important to some people, like it is important to me. Not just pets, but also services such as sewage can be important as well. And this is where RV Life Trip Wizard can help with that. And not just sewage, but city water as well. Some campgrounds even offer a cable service that provides local TV channels and possibly more. Under the connectivity section, you will see all of the cell phone service that is available in the area, as well as access to Wi-Fi internet. Big rig access is important for those larger RVs. Under Hookups, you will find the electric options that the campground has to offer. Under the recreation section, you can find all the fun things to do at the campground. The park features section shows a deeper look into what the campground has to offer. Here you'll find quite a bit of information such as 55 plus, boondocking, and if this campground offers a dump station. And clicking satellite map, if available, you can use Street View to get a closer look at the campground before you even book your campsite. If you have any additional information, click Add Edit Campground Info and enter your information and what you found that may need to be added or edited. And remember, your pets are travelers too. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. What do you think about these tips? Are there any other tips that you would like to suggest? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.